After everything in pre-production is set, the script's written, all the students have their roles, you have the equipment, you have the set ready to go, it's time for step 2, which is production. Today you have many choices in which software you can edit with. We're going to focus on using iMovie for the iPad in this one. You want your newscast to feel roughly the same each time you film, so I would suggest using the same theme every time that you do a project. You can use any theme that you want, but I would suggest using the news theme that it comes with because it just looks more professional. Themes only affect a few things, including transitions and titles. I would suggest just using your native camera app instead of using iMovie to film. It's automatically going to sync that in with iMovie anyway, but it allows you to see things full screen and you can delete and edit video much quicker. Editors need to be familiar with how to adjust and manipulate audio tracks, change titles. They also need to know how to use the picture-in-picture feature so that when anchors are on screen, they can also be displaying a picture or video next to them.